Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening the YouTube app or mobile browser. Make sure the app is updated. Tap your profile picture at the top right to access account options and confirm you're signed into the channel you want to manage. If you see multiple accounts, switch to the correct one now so subsequent steps act on the right channel. Once signed in, pause here to ensure your channel name appears under the icon. This prevents confusing analytics or uploads later. After confirming your account, tap the profile icon again and choose YouTube Studio from the menu. That's the mobile dashboard. Allow any permission prompts if you plan to use camera or audio tools inside Studio, and be patient while the dashboard loads. Mobile can take a moment. Once loaded, you'll see tabs for content, analytics, and comments. Use the bottom or side navigation to move between them. Make sure you understand which tab controls uploads versus channel settings before proceeding. Finally, use the dashboard. Content to manage uploads, analytics to review performance, and settings to adjust monetization and channel details. If Studio won't load or shows stale analytics, close the app, clear cache, or force stop and reopen. That usually refreshes data. If a feature isn't available on mobile, open YouTube in a browser, request desktop site, and access the full Creator Studio. If problems persist, sign out and sign back in to re-establish permissions before trying again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.